brain is incredible. It has so many natural ways to help itself. Once we know them, we can use them. Like, for instance, whenever we're upset, don't we do this? Oh God,
Yeah.
it's really bugging me. Or oh God, what do I do now? Don't we do that?
Yeah.
Because this part of your head has these 2 points that by holding them, they are your stress release points.
Okay.
On the head. Okay? Now this is here where your present memory is, your right now memory. And this part of your brain is the past memory. So when we are upset, if we hold this part and this part of the head, the front and the back,
Yeah.
and close our eyes and think through the problem that we are having right now, think through it. See it in all the details that you can. As I hold your head, I'm alerting the neurons in the front of the head and the back of the head. By just this touch alone, we are helping to rebalance the front and the back part of our brain, which means the past comes into the present for an alternative choice, a new way of looking, a new way of being and functioning. Take a deep breath. And how do you feel about your problem now?
Much relaxed. I could see it in a different perspective.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.